Hello viewers, here is a White Westinghouse fan forced radiant heater. Did a video on this some time ago and it had a problem. It seems to cut out after a very short period of time of operation. I had somebody write in on that video recently and they said that they had the same problem with it and they cleaned it and it started working fine again. Now right about now would be a good time to get this thing going because I let my grandfather borrow my Lakewood 300 heater, which I wanted to use in the bathroom, and kind of wish I had it back. So maybe I'll use this one in the time being if I can get it to work. There's a lot of screws on this thing. I'm not sure which ones are going to reveal the areas that need to be cleaned. I'm not really sure which areas need to be cleaned to begin with. So let's just take everything apart and go from there. That's fantastic. That comes apart really easily. Now we have full access to everything under here. Now this is the thermal cutoff, and I don't see why cleaning that would make it any better, but I don't know what else to clean. Everything else is pretty free of dust. The fan is moving freely. It's not that dirty, so I'll clean out this bottom part here. We'll get some of the dust off. There's a pretty thick coating of dust on there actually, so we'll get that off and then see if it runs for longer. Okay, I cleaned everything out. I cleaned all around in here. I really don't think that's going to make a difference. I think this part is faulty, but I've been wrong before, so let's put it back together and see what happens. Okay, I don't really see what that would have done, but let's see what happens. This really puts out an impressive amount of heat. This is surprisingly well made and performs surprisingly well for something built in China. I don't think it quite compares to the Lakewood 300, but it's pretty close. I don't remember exactly how long it ran for before. So far it seems okay. Well, I'll let it go for a while and see what happens. Okay, there we go, it cut off. Yeah, this thermostat's still working, as you can see the caution light comes on and off with the thermostat. So it's that thermal overload. I don't understand why, how would that not cut off being so close to the element? Oh, of course now it's too hot to do anything with it, but I think I'm going to drop... Oh, I saw it. I saw it click back into place. That's interesting. Let's see if I can get that on video. Alright, it's not performing any differently than it was the first time around. Of course, now it's too hot to do any further investigation, but I think the next step is going to be to take a look at that thermal overload. If I can get a temperature reading off of it, maybe I'll order another one. Maybe I'll just short it out and never think about it again. I don't know, we'll see what happens in the next video.